Okay, many students have this question in their mind, what to do after their 12th standard once they have completed their 12th standard. Okay, this video basically focuses on those students who have opted biology as their one of their subject, like physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, so this basically, when you have opted for biology, so the first thing comes in your mind is going into a medical field. So that's why I have listed the medical fields or medical science opportunities first. So therefore, what do you have here? MBBS. Many of the students even don't know the full form of it, but it is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So how do you get into this course? It is a very famous course. You can get into this course by the exam known as NEET, that is NEET examination. Many of the students appear for this exam, but a handful of students will be successful in getting seat in a MBBS college which offers this course, and you can try for NEET. It is a very good opportunity. You can be a doctor, you can help many of the people and be satisfied with your life. Then if you did not make into this NEET, again you have different options wherein you can serve the people as your interest, that is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Many of you know what is dental surgery. BAMS, Ayurveda, Bachelor in Ayurveda Science. Even this is a great course wherein you get to know the primitive things about the medicine and all. Okay, so if you have not made into these three courses and you still want to be into the medical field itself, you can go for pharmacy. In pharmacy, what you can do, D Pharm and B Pharm, diploma in pharmacy and bachelor in pharmacy. Even these are good courses wherein you can set up your own medical shop in case if you need, or else you can get into a chemical factory which produces medicine. Okay, pharmaceuticals. You can even do BSc in clinical research, which is also a good opportunity. Coming to the paramedical science, in which you will be the support staff for the doctors. So you can be Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BTech in Biomedical. You can do Bachelor in Veterinary Science. Veterinary Science, basically what does it do is deals with animals and taking care of animals, being a doctor of an animal. Okay, so now next, it is a very common thing. If you have not made into this biology field, you can also come back to physics and chemistry because it was one of your subjects. So BSc, Bachelor of Science, you can do it in physics, chemistry, agriculture, botany, biotechnology, anthropology, and tons of options are there. So there are total 36 combination wherein you can go for bachelor's degree in science itself. So another, abhi bol diya, bas ho gaya science. Some of you have regret of taking a science after your 10th standard. So abhi mere ko bas ho gaya, I am not going to do any science thing. Then you also have an opportunity to get into commerce and management and study something different other than what a science student studies. You can go for BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration. You can go for BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. You can go for CA. It is a very good option because less number of CAs are there and the requirement is very high. You can go for CS, that is Company Secretary. The CA stands for Chartered Accountant, and CFA, Financial Analyzer. You can do all of the great job and a reputed job what you will get. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, if you are taken science, the good thing about it is, if you don't want to continue in science, you can go in commerce or arts or any other field. But if you are a commerce student and you wish to come back to science, that's not possible. Okay, so that is one thing. So next we will see courses offered under arts. Even arts packs up very good courses. For example, fine arts. Fine arts matlab kya? You are good in singing, you are good in some instrument, tabla ho gaya, violin ho gaya, kuch bhi ho, and all cultural activities, if you are good, it comes under fine arts. You can learn languages, different languages, all region ka languages, including French, Germany, Kannada, English, Marathi, or any other language which you would like to learn. And even you can do sociology. Arts is also a good option if you are trying to make career in this options. Okay, So another set of courses that I want to share with you all is other courses other than what all you have saw till now. So you can do, if you are good in computers and you are interested into computers, then this is a very good choice for you. Bachelor of Computer Application, you can do MCA and get into some research field or research line if you wish to. Or else another good option is law, that is LLB. You can be a lawyer, you can help people even by that. You can do animation and entertain people. You will be paid well as an animator, because you can see all the cartoons or animations, you can see the VFX what you see in your movies and all packs up in animations itself. And if you are wishing like 12th हो गया, मेरे को अभी जॉब करने का है, so you can go for competitive exams like railway exams and another any exams, government exams which come, and you can appear there. If you crack it, you will be in a good position and you will be paid well as well. Now you can be an event manager also, like अभी तो बहुत पार्टियाँ वगैरह वगैरह, whichever things it is there, you can be a part of it and help people to manage their events, how their event should go. You can manage that also. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a 3D modeler, for example, how a 3D movie you see, that you can make, you can create your own 3D movies and you can earn a lot even from that. Okay, so these are list of courses, but so far so forth, whatever we have seen, this will always make you an employee. It will always make you an employee, not an employer. You will be always like a slave under someone. Try to do something out of the box. Do something out of the box. Do something innovative, which will keep you going and which will make you exit from this rat race what everybody is running behind. Ki, I want a job, I want a job, I want a job. No. Come out of this rat race and be something unique. Be an employer. You have to employ people, so people should work under you. Be a person like that. Okay, saying that, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the content.